We'll use the large ball in chair pose to strengthen the legs. Rotate around to the side. The ball will be in between the thighs. Reach the arms up and over your head. Make sure your toes and your knees and your hips are orienting front. Take a minute here to reach through the arms. And then we'll sweep one arm back. Look for that thumb as it reaches back. Take both arms back up. Squeeze the ball and then slowly lift. Reach all the way up and back. Exhale, take a forward fold, reaching your hands down toward the floor. Keep squeezing the ball and sink your chest and your shoulders forward. Bend your knees a lot and reach your arms forward. Then take your arms all the way up. Hands will come forward again. This time left arm. We'll sweep it back. Look for the thumb. Start to reach through the chest. Both arms sweep back forward. And then again, lift all the way up. Keep squeezing the ball as you lean back. On your exhalation, shift forward and down and allow your hamstrings to open up. Shoulders release tension to the ground. Bend your knees, place the ball down, come up slowly. Settle for a moment and notice your posture.